just like an alpha pass that you'll see sometimes with those jets doing that. Very slow, just showing the very low speed capability. There he is again. All horsepower holding the muscle. Wow. Anyway, the horizontal opposed to the, horizontally opposed to
the rounding. Actually, it gives it more finished look shot, and actually a lot of people like that, including myself, because I come from that era of airplanes. The horizontally opposed engines are very popular, of course, and are very reliable, as the M14 engine is a much less expensive engine than if you bought a 450 horsepower Pratt & Whitney engine to put in the ship.
All the big piston-powered airliners use the round engines, the radial engines.
That's very true.
And the horizontally opposed turned out to be a relatively modern invention.
Now, the thing that actually put light plane business called an A40 had a single ignition on it, and that actually made the light plane industry start to be very successful.
All right, here he comes back down from left to right. More airspeed. Back up to the vertical. Nice half roll. Oh, look at that. What do they call it there? The nonchalant. Totally out of control.
Oh no.
Okay, everyone, we do have
That's not good.
Ladies and gentlemen, we do have emergency personnel who are prepared for this.
He stalled.
We have planned for this sort of an event. And we ask that you all remain where you are to let any emergency personnel by.
Make the whole thing on video.
The fire trucks are being mobilized right now. Again, please remain where you are to let any emergency vehicles through. There is one making its way through that now. Through the crowd now.
Oh no.
Across the runway, rescue personnel are on the way. Fire trucks on the way.
Survived. Oh my God.
Lên